Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about the Chicco Baby LullaGo portable bassinet. This was the only bassinet that I ever used for my baby and I absolutely loved it. So I wanted to share some of the really cool features that this bassinet has to offer. So first and foremost, this bassinet that you're looking at is in the color sand. And the reason why I was first attracted to it was because it had a price of between $100 to $115, which is such a reasonable price for a bassinet. So I love that this bassinet can not only be used right by your bedside or right in your house, but I love that it's portable. So if you're going to be going to grandma's house for the day, or if you're going to be going on a vacation, this is going to be the perfect travel bassinet to take with you. This bassinet has a super easy disassembly and assembly, and it also comes with a travel bag, so you guys can place all of your parts of your bassinet right into a bag and travel with this. It's also lightweight and compact, but it does allow for a lot of room for your baby to move around in here. This bassinet also comes with these breathable side mesh panels, which I personally love for ventilation purposes. It also comes with this little side mesh pocket, which is great for keeping your baby's essentials like wipes or diapers or whatever it is that you want to keep in here. Now, everything that you're looking at here on their bassinet is removable. So you can actually remove this cover right here. So under one of your corners here, if you lift it up, you're going to notice this little clip, and you would just press this button right here. And then you can unzipper this and remove your entire bassinet cover. Now the same thing is gonna go with their mattress. Their mattress has a little zipper right on the side, and you would just unzip that, and you can just place all of these right into your washer on cold and delicate. And then when it's all done washing, you would just wanna let it drip dry. Now with their mattress, you can go ahead and buy covers. They do sell them separately. However, I just went ahead and put a little blanket right over it, and it worked fine for my baby. Now, a very important fact that I do wanna share with you guys about this bassinet is that it's intended for ages 0 to 6 months, or up to 20 pounds, or until your baby can push themselves up onto their hands and knees. Now, while this bassinet is deep and it does give your baby a lot of space, you're gonna wanna make sure that you're using this properly for the age intended, because you would never want your baby to ever get hurt in any bassinet. Now, this bassinet does come in a few different colors. I believe they have a darker gray and a lighter gray, and there are also some different variations of this bassinet, like the LullaGo Nest and the LullaGo Anywhere, and some of their other bassinets have a little canopy on the top, and they have some little toys that are dangling for your baby. All in all, I would definitely recommend this bassinet to moms. I absolutely love the features that come with this bassinet, especially for the price that you're going to be paying for it. And I definitely love the flexibility that this bassinet offers. And to be honest with you guys, I still have the box for this bassinet, and I definitely plan to use this in the future for my next baby. So that's all that I have for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. As always, I hope that you all have a blessed day and a blessed week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So I found that the best way to assemble your bassinet is to flip it over. You would pop all 4 of the legs right in. And if you guys are thinking about getting this bassinet, it's going to be very, very simple for you guys to figure this out. You want to make sure that everything is right out of the way and that your legs make a little clicking noise as they go in. Then you could just flip your bassinet right side up, and then you would just place your mattress right into your bassinet. Now, when you're going to be disassembling, you're going to notice this little button. Now, if you press this little button to try to take your legs out while your bassinet is right side up, it's going to be very, very hard. So a better way to do this is going to be to flip your bassinet over, and then once you click the buttons, they are going to come out with such ease, and it's going to be a lot easier. So you would just go around your bassinet, remove all 4 legs. Currently I am on number 3, now number 4. And then you would flip your bassinet over. You can remove your mattress, and it folds right in half, perfect for traveling. And you see these buttons right here. If you press them while you're holding your bassinet in the air, it is not going to fold. So you're going to want to place this down, click them in, and your bassinet is disassembled.
Thank you guys so much for watching.